In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blog posts in HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand toolbar and find the content icon. Hover your mouse over that icon, and from the options that appear, choose blog. This will take you to your main blog area. In the top right corner, click the Create button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose which blog you're creating this post for, in case you have multiple blogs set up. Select the appropriate blog, then choose the language for your post. When you're ready, click Create Blog Post and wait a moment for the editor to load. Inside the blog editor, you'll see different modules laid out for you. These might include the blog post title, body content, social sharing icons, lead capture forms, and more. To edit any of these, simply click directly on the module. Depending on the type of module, you may be able to edit the text right on the page, or you might use the Properties panel that appears on the left side when that module is selected. If you want to add more modules, look again at the left toolbar and click the plus icon. This opens a panel with all the available modules you can add to your blog post, such as images, calls to action, or additional rich text areas. To use one, just drag it from the panel and drop it into the position you want in your blog layout. When it's selected, its properties will also appear on the left, where you can fine-tune its content and design. Before you publish anything, it's important to adjust your blog settings. At the top of the editor, click the Settings tab. Under the General section, add your blog title. HubSpot will use this title to generate the URL slug for your post, which is also required. You can leave it as is for simplicity and SEO, or edit it to make it shorter and more focused. Next, scroll down in the settings. Make sure to assign an author, which is required. You can also add tags to help organize your content. Scroll further and add a featured image, also required. You can upload an image from your computer, generate one with AI, or choose from existing HubSpot images. Continue scrolling until you see the metadata section. Here, add a meta description, which is required, and help search engines and readers understand what your post is about. Once all the required fields are filled out and your content looks good, you're ready to publish. Click the Publish button, confirm your settings, and your blog post will go live. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a blog post in HubSpot.